In this video, we will discuss the 5 best 3D printers on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer is a game-changing addition to the home 3D printing market, combining exceptional speed with remarkable precision. The printer's Core XY all-metal structure enables blazing fast print speeds up to 600 mm/s, slashing production times by over 70% compared to conventional printers. The high-flow nozzle, reaching 200 DEGC in just 35 seconds, ensures consistent material flow even during high-speed printing. The built-in vibration compensation system effectively minimizes artifacts, resulting in impressively smooth surface finishes and crisp detail reproduction. Featuring one-click automatic bed leveling and a versatile dual-sided PEI platform that makes model removal a breeze. The printer's compatibility with various materials, from basic PLA to advanced carbon fiber composites, makes it suitable for beginners and experienced makers. Number 2. Creality K1C 3D Printer. The Creality K1C 3D printer brings remarkable speed and efficiency to the desktop 3D printing space, boasting an impressive 600 mm/s print speed and 200 0/s2 acceleration that makes it up to 12 times faster than conventional printers. The user-friendly experience begins right out of the box with a smartphone-like setup process that gets you from unboxing to printing in just 3 minutes. One of the printer's standout features is its sophisticated auto-calibration system, which handles everything from Z offset to bed leveling and input shaping tests automatically. The days of manual paper leveling are thankfully behind us. The clog-free direct extruder, featuring a steel-tipped copper nozzle and titanium alloy heartbreak, handles a wide range of materials, including carbon fiber filaments, with high-temperature printing capabilities up to 300 DGC. This makes the K1C an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users seeking a reliable, high-speed printing solution. Number 3. FLSUN T1 Pro Delta 3D Printer. The FLSUN T1 Pro Delta 3D printer pushes the boundaries of printing speed with its remarkable 1000 m/s capability and 300 0/s2 acceleration, setting a new standard in rapid production. This impressive velocity doesn't come at the cost of quality, thanks to its high-performance control chip and efficient cooling system that maintains precision even at top speeds. The printer's dual-gear direct drive extruder is a standout feature, capable of reaching 300 DSC with an impressive 90 ml3/s flow rate. Combined with the enclosed printing chamber, this versatility allows for successful printing with a wide range of materials from basic PLA to more demanding filaments like PC and PA. The inclusion of an AI camera adds another layer of sophistication, enabling real-time monitoring and time-lapse recording of your prints. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 resin printer represents a significant leap forward in desktop 3D printing resolution, delivering an astounding 9024 x 5120 pixels with ultra-fine 17x17 m precision. This 105% improvement over its predecessor translates into remarkably detailed prints that showcase incredibly smooth surfaces and crisp features. At the heart of this printer's performance is ANYCUBIC's proven light turbo matrix light source technology, which provides exceptionally uniform illumination across the build area. This consistent light distribution effectively minimizes common resin printing artifacts like layer lines and rasterization, resulting in models with outstanding surface quality. Number 5. Elegoo 3D Printer. The Elegoo Mars 5 MSLA resin printer brings intelligent features to the forefront of desktop 3D printing, with its innovative mechanical sensor system taking center stage. This smart technology actively monitors printing conditions, alerting users to issues like low resin levels, foreign objects, and overheating, a level of oversight that significantly enhances print reliability. Elegoo attention to user experience shines through in thoughtful design elements like the automatic leveling system and laser-engraved build plate, Practical touches such as adjustable foot pads, 1-nick build plate locking, and dual resin pouring spouts make the printing process remarkably straightforward. The vertical touchscreen interface, while resistive rather than capacitive, provides intuitive control over the printer's operations. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.